In this video, I'll show you how to add payment method on Roblox. It's going to be a full guide video, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. If you open up your app right now, if you click on this more, if you move down, if you click on settings, if you click on payment method, you'll see that you can't be able to add up your payment method if you are using the app. So what you're going to be using now, you'll be using the browser, right? So ensure you log into your account, roblox.com on your browser. So this is our browser. I'm going to wait for it to open up. Once it opens up, now what I'm going to show you now, this is what you're going to do. So click on this setting icon, click on settings, wait for it to open up. Once it has opened up, click on account info. You're going to see payment method, click on it. Now from this option, you're going to see add. So click on the add to add up your payment method. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.